All right, guys, good morning and welcome to Monday, one of the best day of the week with a good energy. I've not been making some videos this time around because I've been kind of busy. That's also why I'm leveraging strongly on automations. Before I wasn't a fan of it, but now I think I'm beginning to see the light of it. You know what I mean? So I'm currently planning to go to work. So let me update you guys about what's going to happen this week. So this week I'll be hosting a daily webinar with about 10 persons who want to learn about automation. Then I'll be giving it to them free of charge, but only interested person who is who's eligible. Let me put that word, who's eligible. We'll check eligibility first before we'll be able to allow you in. Eligibility is those who want to do it. You know what I mean? Then that's that one. Then we'll also be helping you guys in the area of trading, how you can be able to become profitable this week. So that's all we'll be doing this week. Last week I spoke with about 3 companies that does automation. I tried to inquire about their strategies, how the operational system works. We have the one we are using here, which is also very much cool. A lot of our traders who are busy professionals are leveraging on them, and they're making some decent amount of returns. That is where the world is going to. So you just have to find your way and get there. So you cannot just be all day online. You don't have time to diversify or do something else for yourself. You become a slave to a chart. You know what I mean? So that's what you're gonna be doing this week. I will also be assisting those on regular training. We do our outlook and do our live trading to help those who are also trading like regularly with us. So you check the timetable on our Telegram here, and if you're not our Telegram, you're watching this from Instagram, you check our bio, you see our Telegram, the new Telegram one, and join it and be getting some information about how we access people. So you know, I wish you all the best this week, and if you're interested to be part of the free classes or paid classes, like free or classes for automation only, paid classes for those who want to, you know, learn properly how to trade it, they paid for it, just send us a DM. We'll be able to set you up as soon as possible and you know, get it started. Do have a wonderful week, all of you. Yeah.